Hello guys, Sorin Constantin here. Welcome to our next lecture from this course. In this lecture we will talk about a tool, an online tool that I like very much, and I think it can be very useful for you guys because you can create something very unique that can help you boost your exposure. I like this tool very much because you can create infographics, and infographics, as we have probably talked before, or if we haven't, are elements that can go viral and can create a lot of exposure for your business. If you touch certain topics in your marketplace that have a lot of interest for people, they can go viral. Okay. Obviously, if they haven't been touched before, these topics, if they haven't been touched before or approached before, even more will create exposure for your business. So this tool is called Piktochart, and you can actually do different types of presentations, images, posters, reports, and infographics with it. You can create an account for free. You can log in with your Facebook accounts. Most of these online platforms and tools that you will see me explaining to you and exposing to you in my lectures, you will see you can practically connect with Facebook. I think every single tool online you can connect with, you can create an account automatically with Facebook or with other social media accounts, and this is no different case. Okay, you create a free account with your Facebook account, and after you create your free account, this is what you will see in your Piktochart. Okay, you can see exactly here how it's called, Piktochart. This is the first page where you select a template, okay, the infographic format you would like to use. For example, we select an infographic, okay, and now we have different templates, okay, 3 templates here. Obviously, for example, we can select this one because it's the most interesting for us as online entrepreneurs, okay, how to make money the startup way. You can preview the template in the first place to see exactly how it looks like. Okay, and after that you just create the template. Okay, you press the create button, and we wait for the editor to load. Now the app it's loaded, okay, and you can start editing everything in your infographic. You have more blocks that you can edit, and you can see here exactly how to edit every single block. Okay, and for example, let's edit the first one, the header, so you guys can see. First of all, you can select the text, you can edit the text. Obviously, as in any app or editor, you can select the font, okay, the size, if it will be bold, if it will be italic, okay, the alignment and other stuff like that. Also, a very cool stuff that you can add to your infographic is the fact that you can add different types of icons. For example, you have a huge collection of icons here. Okay, you can add different types of shapes and lines, as you can see here in this menu in your left side. Okay, you can add different types of photos if you want to, and also you can add different types of photo frames. Okay, for example, we have these letters here which look very nice, okay, and other types of photos. Then we have, for example, backgrounds. We can use different types of backgrounds, patterns that we can choose from. For example, let's have a look at this one. Okay, with the stars, it looks very, very nice. Then we have different types of text that we can use. Okay, we also have some text frames here, okay, and text templates that we can use. For example, this one, okay, which looks very nice, but I'll let you guys play with it more so you can see exactly how you can use them, but I'm just showing you exactly where you have to go, okay, what features do you have at your disposal, and so on. And then you have other tools like videos, maps, charts, different types of charts. Okay, after you finish creating your infographic the way you like it, you just go to the okay, it's already saved. You just go to the preview button to see exactly how it will look like. Okay, and you just download your graphic. Okay, you can leave a PNG format or JPEG format, whatever suits you the most. Okay, for example, you can download it in this format or a medium format. If you want more, you have to go to the pro version, which obviously is paid, but I think for starting out, this this version is perfect. And now let's kick it off, download as PNG. Okay, and see exactly what we'll get. I think this this tool can be very useful for you guys, okay, because as I've told you and as I've stated before, infographics really go viral in a lot of niches. If you will look at top bloggers at what they actually use, okay, you will see that a lot of them are using infographics, and they state something, they do a lot of research, they state something in those infographics that wasn't approached before by other bloggers or other researchers in their niche, and that's how they establish themselves as an authority in their niche. Their infographics get viral, their articles get viral, they get a lot of exposure for their whole blog, not just for that infographic. People subscribe to their newsletter, start to follow them on social media, and that's how practically they get to become an authority, and they get very well known in their marketplace. Let's have a look at how this infographic looks like. This is it, okay, it's very nice. As you can see here, we can zoom in to see. One thing that you will find out in the free version is that you will have the logo from Piktochart here in the slower part. They needed to promote themselves somehow, but this is not inconvenient in the beginning if the information is very well structured and it sends a strong message. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this lecture about Piktochart. I hope you find it helpful. I hope that this tool will help you in your business in the future and in your social media strategy, and to create stunning social media images. I thank you very much for your attention. I know already that you know already that you are awesome, and I thank you for that. And I send you my best wishes. I will see you guys in our next lectures. Bye bye for now. Sorin here.